Hi, welcome to Caketastic Cakes. I'm going to show you today how to make Captain America's shield or his logo, depending on how you want to look at it. All right, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe because I like it when you subscribe. And let's go. Start out with a layer of blue. I roll everything out the same thickness in this video, so that's important. I have star-shaped cutter. I cut out the star in the center, get a layer of white going, and then cut out a star of white, and then take that star, fill it into the blue using a little bit of water to connect everything and press it all together. Now you're going to make the next ring out, so you're going to have to use the same size circle you used for the blue and then a larger one on the outside. Be consistent with your sizes. And to attach it again, just a little bit of water on the outside and connect the red ring outside of the blue. Now because I already rolled out the red, I'm just going to go ahead and do my outer ring. There's going to be a white layer in between. So don't get confused by this. It's just convenience for me that I did this because I have a whole set of rings that I use. So anyway, here's the white one that's going to go between the reds. It's going to be just the same as the rest. Keep staggering them out. Add a little bit of water on the outside of your circles and connect them. And when you connect them, make sure you kind of bend them outwards so when they lay down, you don't accidentally push up on it, if you know what I mean. You can kind of see what I'm doing here. I kind of tilt it down when I connect them, and then yeah, so you do the blue circle with the star, the red, a layer of white, layer of red. There you go, Captain America. It's easy, it's quick, it's cute, and it actually is really a nice one. It comes out nice, it's classic, you can't mess it up. So if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and check out my other superhero logo videos if you got a theme going. Thank you very much. Bye.